Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024 on Windows 11 using the official Microsoft website. Before starting, if you already have an older version of Microsoft Office installed, it's better to remove it first to avoid installation conflict. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed App. Find your old Microsoft Office version. Click the three dots and select Uninstall. Wait until the uninstall process finishes. After uninstalling, restart your computer. Restarting helps remove leftover Office services and prevents installation problems later. Once your PC restarts, open your web browser and go to microsoft.com/download. Click on Office. Here click Office Deployment Tool. Select Language, then download the Office Deployment Tool. After downloading, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the setup file. Accept the Microsoft License Agreement and continue. Now create a new folder in the same location. Name the folder something like Office. Select that Office folder and click OK. The deployment tool files will now be extracted into the folder. Next, open your browser again and go to config.office.com. This website lets you create a custom Office installation configuration. When the website opens, scroll down a little and click Create to start creating your Office configuration. First, select your Office architecture. You can choose either 64-bit or 32-bit. I'm selecting 64-bit. Now choose the Office product. Here I'm selecting LTSC Professional Plus 2024. You can also select older Office versions if needed. If you want Visio or Project, you can select them here as well. Next, go to the Apps section. Here you can remove apps you don't want installed. Click Next. Now select your language. If you need additional languages, you can add them here. And I also added Arabic with the full option checked for complete language support. After that, click Export. Select Office Open XML format. Accept the license terms. Leave the default file name as it is, then click Export. The XML configuration file will now download. Move the downloaded XML file into the Office folder. Now copy the entire Office folder to any drive for easier command access. I'm copying it to the D drive. Next, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type D:, then press Enter. Type CD space Office, then press Enter. Type setup.exe /configure configuration.xml, then press Enter. Microsoft Office 2024 installation will now start automatically. Wait until the installation complete. After installation, open Microsoft Word to check if Office is working properly. You can also open Excel and other Office apps. And that's it. Microsoft Office 2024 is now successfully installed on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tutorials.